The past perfect tense is a fascinating aspect of English that helps us understand the sequence of events in the past. It's like a time machine that allows us to pinpoint when something happened relative to another event. Let's dive into its uses. First, the past perfect is used to show that one action happened before another action in the past. For instance, consider this scenario. I had finished my homework before I went out to play. Here, finishing my homework is the earlier action, and going out to play follows it. This structure helps clarify the timeline, making it easier for listeners to grasp the order of events. Another important use of the past perfect is in storytelling. When recounting a series of events, it adds depth and clarity. Imagine telling a story about a trip. I had visited Paris before I traveled to Rome. By using the past perfect, I emphasize that my visit to Paris occurred first, setting the stage for the next part of my journey. It's a great tool for creating a rich narrative. The past perfect also shines in expressing regrets or missed opportunities. For example, I had hoped to see that concert, but I didn't buy tickets in time. This construction highlights the disappointment of a past intention that didn't come to fruition. It allows us to reflect on what could have been, adding an emotional layer to our communication. Additionally, the past perfect can be used in conditional sentences to discuss hypothetical situations. For instance, if I had known about the sale, I would have bought more clothes. Here, the past perfect indicates that the knowledge of the sale was a prerequisite for the action of buying. It's a way to express how things could have turned out differently based on past knowledge or actions. In conversations, the past perfect can also clarify misunderstandings. If someone asks why I was upset about missing a meeting, I might say, I had prepared a presentation that I was excited to share. This use not only explains my feelings but also provides context for my emotional response, making it easier for others to understand my perspective. Lastly, the past perfect is essential in reported speech. When recounting what someone else said, it helps maintain the correct sequence of events. For example, she said she had already eaten dinner when I called. This structure ensures that the timeline remains intact, allowing the listener to follow the conversation accurately. In summary, the past perfect tense is a powerful tool in English that enhances clarity, adds emotional depth, and enriches storytelling. By using it effectively, we can convey complex ideas and timelines with ease. Whether we're reflecting on our past, sharing stories, or clarifying misunderstandings, the past perfect helps us communicate more precisely and meaningfully.